once more. Unhlanipho Kacele Isibongo, spokesperson we-National Funeral Business Lifetime Achievement Awards. Ngithanda ukunamukela nonke ngokuba khona kwini la. Sizolauncha khona our main event first time ever having ama awards abangcwabi. We're gonna have our event coordinators going to deliver a brief on everything about the event. Siyabonga.
My name is Daliso Gumete, the event coordinator of the Funeral Business Lifetime Achievement Awards. Allow me to read the press release for today. 25 March 2025. The press release, National Funeral Business Lifetime Achievement Awards 2025. We are excited to announce the upcoming National Funeral Business Lifetime Awards set to take place on the 6th of April 2025 at the Durban ICC. The event will promptly begin at 6 p.m. with an arrival time of 5 p.m. Guests will be welcomed on the red carpet with drinks on arrival and a chance to capture their memories in the 360 photo booth. This prestigious event is dedicated to honoring and celebrating the hard work and commitment and dedication of the entire funeral industry. It is a moment to recognize both the award-winning companies and the exceptional individuals who have contributed to the growth and professionalism of the funeral industry. The first National Funeral Business Lifetime Achievement Awards aim to inspire funeral practitioners to elevate their services, uphold ethical standards, and participate actively in community development programs within the community they serve. For further information or media inquiries, please contact Nhlakanipho Kacele at 069 540 4439. For tickets and table sales, please contact Mr. Alec Bojozi at 076 67 74 5666 or Daliso Gumete at 078 92 26 418. Join us as we celebrate the best of the funeral in the industry. I thank you.
Umuntu uzoqala ngokuthi aveze ukuthi mhlambe where do we come from with ama awards. The core reason for ama awards ukuthi si improve an ethical behavior amongst ourselves as undertakers. Umuntu mayeshonelwe usuke ene pain efisa ukudlula kuleso simo as quickly as possible and swiftly as possible. Ebese kuba khona izinto eziyaye zenzeke mhlambe zenziwe ukuthi i-service provider yakhe ayisa-deliver as promised. Ethical behavior esifuna ukuthi sigqugquzele kubangcwabi. Every time umuntu azi ukuthi there's a reward at the end of the day, uya perform better. So ngalesikhathi wonke umuntu ebheka ukuthi nami I want to win an award, i-service within the industry itself iya improve and umphakathi uphatheka kahle. There are 16 nominations, categories, nominations. There are 16 categories. We spoke to abangcwabi direct. We also spoke to our associations because we respect the existence, the leadership. We can't just go sikhulume nabangcwabi kuphela singakhulumi nama association. So as a result, ngomhla ka-6 all the known associations, all the legal associations will be present. As to who nominates, members of the public get to nominate and undertakers nominate each other. So when we nominate each other, you will even see the balance of the list. There's even a category for newcomers. We are looking at everyone. Initially, when we started with these awards, ingqondo ibithi sifuna i-ethical behavior so that laba bezokhula mabebuka kwabakhulu. We want a united industry, we want a professional industry. Umuntu apromise inkomo akhiphe inkomo, angapromise inkomo akhiphe inhloko bese ethi hayi inhloko yenkomo lokho uzawuzwanga kahle. All associations were contacted, baconfirmile futhi bonke bayeza, whether association inabantu abawu-20 noma abawu-100 noma inabantu abayi-1000 njengale ngiphuma kuyona, it doesn't matter as long as we association and you represent the undertakers, because we want to clean this industry. We want to get rid of fraud. We want to get rid of money laundering that is inside our industry. We want to get rid of drugs that are being transported using our industry, because at times musumiswe police selithi vula umzimba bafuna ukubheka ama-drugs because they've found ama-drugs komunye umngcwabi before. Uyabona? So sometimes they go even as far as saying we must open this body up. We don't want that, we industry. We want a clean funeral industry. Those who are deep into fraud, corruption, money laundering, drugs, they must do it elsewhere, not within our industry. Because here, sikhuluma ngabantu bakithi ikakhulukazi abanesiko. Umuntu okuthiwa ubaba make wafike wama lapha kufanele kube khona ukuthi okuzokwenzeka. Ubaba useqalwe phansi waqaqa sefanele sithola imbuzi manje futhi yokuzomvala. All those things thina njengabantu abamnyama siyakwazi. We want to ensure ukuthi abantu bakithi baphatheke kahle. Esikwenzayo is to gain i-confidence yabantu esibaservisayo lapha phansi. We industry, we're not all and only about money. During the flood, we had to make sure ukuthi abantu bakithi bayangcwatshwa and bangcwatshwa ngezizotha nonganayo imali sabangcwaba thina. As associations, isiqubulo sethu esisha sithi let no family say I cannot bury because I have no money. We are here to assist. It's not all and always about money. Yes, we want to have money. Yes, we want to keep the Lamborghinis and the G-Wagons that you are driving, but still, we want to make sure that abantu bakithi bayakwazi ukusizakala ngathi.
Our awards categories read as follows: Funeral of the Year, Best Funeral Service of the Year, Best Achiever, Best Deco, Best Grave Setup, Best Fleet, Best Uniform, Best Branding, Most Loyal and Disciplined, Long-Serving Members, Best Leadership, Mentor of the Year, Best Funeral Training and Skill Development Services Provider, the Community Developer, Best Newcomer. The last one is the Best Supplier. I thank you.
Le yokuthi obani abazobe charge. Yes, we do have people abangekho kwi-funeral sector. Kodwa kufanele babe kwi-funeral space. Angazi noma ngizwakala kahle. Abangabona abangcwabi kodwa abakhona kwi-space sani sekuzongcwaba. Njengomuntu ophuma kwa-Department of Health, ophuma kwa-Home Affairs, ophuma mhlambe kwa-forensics usakwa-health, forensics, environmental health, abantu abawu-FSCA. Zonke lezi ndawo lezi that has got to do ne-funeral. But remember ukuthi i-award iyayishintsha impilo yomuntu noma ngabe muphi. Umculi nje mawawini i-award uba busy kunabanye abaculi. So nala kuzokwenzeka lokho ukuthi umuntu ozowina i-award abantu baqale bazi-associate more naye. Le ibithi mangabe khona ngisho wodwa umndeni othi awukwazi ukufihla ngenxa yokuthi awunamali sibe sikhona thina. Ngifuna ukwenza le disclaimer ethi njengoba thina singabangcwabi ama-companies ethu awakwazi ukungenela ama-awards because kuzoba ne-conflict of interest. Sivele sa-decide ukuthi thina awethu ama-companies abe excused from participating kulama-awards. The 5 of us are the organizers of this prestigious event. Yes, there are big guys, amanye akhona, but everybody's behind. So the face is the 5 of us. The idea here is to celebrate the brilliance, not to be giving each other rewards in terms of rand values and stuff like that. Akekho umngcwabo ufuna abantu bafe, because when you die, you take the premium away. When you live, as long as you shall live, uyangikweleta njalo ngenyanga uyangikhokhela. So we don't want people to die. When you die, you claim from us and then we pay. So abantu bakithi fanele bekwazi lokho ukuthi thina size siye emasontweni ngephasika nje siyakhona siyothandazela ukuthi mangafi umuntu ebhukwini lami. Umuntu nomuntu bali ibhuku lakhe athi ngafi umuntu ebhukwini lakhe ukwenzela ukuthi athi keep making more money and not spending money. If we had came ngama uniform ethu ama companies ethu ibizoba offensive kulaba ozakwethu who are not at the forefront. Yabo kuzothiwa kanti lento siyenzela ukuzodayisa ama companies ethu. So we just held it ku black, which is the commonly used color kuma undertake. Kukhona okuningi enizokubona la eThekwini ama pall bearers anwazi. Ayasuka ama pall bearers eGolazana azonikhombisa ukuthi what is the pall bearer yenzani, and many other stuff that you will be able to see kuma visuals ethu ngalelalanga nokubona ukuthi kwi-industry, in fact baningi abantu besifazane kunabesilisa kwi-industry yomngcwabo, but there is this perception yokuthi it's a male dominated industry of which is not. Angibonge kakhulu kunina nonke. We can now eat. We are ready to eat and have drinks. Okay. Before we eat, umfethu uzo sifundela ama-nominees wonke lawa.
Now, ama nominees ethu asangenile so far in total awu 40. Number 1 Amachole KZN. Number 2 Pinetown KZN. Number 3 Nganda KZN. Number 4 B3 Gauteng Province. Number 5 21st Century Gauteng Province. Number 6 Brudi Gauteng Province. Number 7 Baroga Gauteng Province. Number 8 Icebolethu KZN. Number 9 F-Bob Gauteng. Number 10 Kupane Gauteng. Number 11 Doves Gauteng. Number 12 Ndabe KZN. Number 13 Tselani KZN. Number 14 Two Mountains Mpumalanga. Number 15 Sizwe Sabacha Mpumalanga. Number 16 Bablo KZN. Number 17 Madlala KZN. Number 18 7 times KZN. Number 19 Umhlanga KZN. Number 20 Sibia KZN. Number 21 Umpolozi Eastern Cape. Number 22 Choice Limpopo. Number 23 Motswako Free State. Number 24 JCR Western Cape. Number 25 Atlantic Western Cape. Number 26 Uma Eastern Cape. Number 27 Tsipi Noto Gauteng. Number 28 Kipoletswe Northern Cape. Number 29 Afro Limpopo. Number 30 Nodata Eastern Cape. Number 31 eThekwini KZN. Number 32 Pyramid Northwest. Number 33 Durban KZN. Number 34 Ashcraft GP. Number 35, Rockefeller, Limpopo. Number 36, Bibi, Free State. Number 37, DG, Gauteng. Number 38, Motsisi, Northwest. Number 39, Noko, Northwest. Number 40, Sogutela, Eastern Cape. I thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Sibonga kakhulu.